everyone, and welcome to Friday's Assembly. It's a little bit different this week because it is Easter week. Today is our last day of school before we have 2 weeks off for the Easter holidays, and hopefully the weather will be good, fingers crossed. You'll see that I have my Easter finery on. Yes, my wreath of flowers, because I'm feeling very spring-like and very excited because Betty and some other judges went around to the classrooms this week to judge the Easter egg decoration competition. They did, and wow, they came back raving about all the wonderful eggs that have been created across the school. Very impressed, and in some classes, very hard to pick winners. But we do have some winners, and they've asked me to announce these winners today in assembly. Now, the winners, first place, second place, and third place, each get a chocolate surprise, and they're going to be handed out by your class teacher. Now, we'll start with Leeds class. In Leeds class, we have in third place, Caden. In second place, Alice. And in first place, Esme. Well done to all the Leeds children. Excellent. In your class, in third place, we have Anaya. In second, Violet. And in first place, Philippe. Well done to your class. Excellent. In whole class, in third place, we have Michelle. In second place, Zainab. And in first place, Susanna K. Wow, very impressed with all of your eggs. Well done. In Nottingham class, in first place, we have Ashton. In second place, Daisy May. And in first place, Hubert. Well done to all of you. In Liverpool class, in third place, we have Jake K. In second place, Rebecca. In first place, George. Well done to all of you. Excellent. Really pleased. Now, in Cardiff class, the judges said this was a hard class, definitely hard. In third place, Lacey Grace. In second place, Ella. And in first place, Eric. Well done to all of you. Now, in Edinburgh 1, in third place, we have Christian. In second place, we have Tilly. And in first place, we have Peyton. Give them a big hand. Well done. In Edinburgh 2, we have in third place, Jacob P. In second place, Noah. In first place, Addison. Well done to all of you. In Cambridge class, which was, the judges said, super hard, that they really had a difficult decision. And then they decided in the end, in third place is going to be a tie for third, a three-way tie. Wow. In third place, three-way tie, we have Oliver, Patrick, and Marta. Well done. In second place, we have Molly. And in first place, we have Julia. Well done, Cambridge class. In Oxford class, in third place, we have Daria. In second place, we have Oscar. And in first place, we have Vernice. Well done. What a fantastic week we've had with the Easter Bonnet Parade and all the Easter activities, and now the Easter egg decoration competition. All the children got to participate in this competition in school, and I am so proud and so pleased how well they all did. Let's have a look at all of the eggs. Impressive, wasn't it? Absolutely impressive. Well, I'm really proud of all of you, and I would like to wish all of you a very happy Easter. Make sure you take care, stay safe, listen to your adults, and have a good 2 weeks. We'll see you back here soon. Bye.